In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to craft a professional resume using Word with Copilot enabled. Whether you're entering the job market for the first time, seeking to transition careers, or simply updating your existing resume, this process can help you efficiently create a polished and effective document. To get started, you'll need to open Word with Copilot enabled on your computer. Copilot is a dynamic AI tool that's designed to assist you by making the writing process smoother and more streamlined. If you don't have it enabled yet, ensure your Word software is up to date and follow any necessary steps to activate Copilot. Once you have Word ready to go, open a new document. Next, you'll want to provide your career details and skills. This is your opportunity to list out all relevant information that will showcase your professional journey. Begin with your personal information, such as your name, phone number, and email address, and then detail your educational background. It's also crucial to include relevant work experience, focusing on responsibilities and accomplishments. Remember, employers are particularly interested in quantifiable achievements, so be specific about the impact you had in previous roles. Finally, list any skills, certifications, and additional qualifications that can set you apart from other candidates. Once you've compiled your career details and skills, it's time to engage Copilot to draft your resume. Simply ask Copilot to help draft a professional resume based on the information you've provided. Instruct it to organize the content in a structured format, typically starting with a summary or objective statement, followed by sections dedicated to your work history, education, and skills. Copilot can suggest phrasing and layout options, making it easier to create a fluid and logical narrative that highlights your strengths. After Copilot drafts your resume, it's important to go through a review process. Carefully check the formatting to ensure that it meets industry standards and is visually appealing. Consistency is key, so ensure fonts, headings, and bullet points all match throughout the document. Examine the content as well, making sure your entire career story is accurately represented and free of any errors. If there's anything specific that should be adjusted or expanded, feel free to customize the content. Tailoring elements of your resume to the specific types of roles you're applying for can significantly enhance its impact. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your resume looks and reads, it's time to save and export it. Make sure to save a copy in Word format in case you need to make further edits down the line. Additionally, export your resume as a PDF,